We're at the Hookers Fishing Lake in Pattaya, and Frank has caught something already.
What is it, Frank?
Red-tailed catfish.
Oh, he's a little one, isn't he?
Yeah.
Okay, little one to start the day.
Baby.
Never know what you're going to get, do you? Frank kicked things off. Very small fish, but here I've caught some monster fish before, and that's why I love it so much. There's over 40 varieties of different fish here, and if you like your catfish, there's 10 different varieties. I've been told some of the catfish in here are over 90 kilograms. That's me. So this is bigger than what Frank got, that's for sure. Could be a Siamese carp. It's got a lot of fight on it, you can hear it. And this can be very tiring. He got off.
Oh, mate.
After all that. I'm knackered. He's gone. Oh, I'm gutted. Oh.
Like you.
Up, get the rod up. Hi, hi, hi.
Yes.
What is
Oh my God, can you imagine what the other one would have looked like?
it?
Happy days.
What is that big fish?
You've got to jump in and get the fish picture. And that's what the kids are going to do now. Well deserved, Danny, go on.
What do I look at?
He won't bite. That's a nice. Whoa!
No, don't.
So there's the fish terrace. This is our room for the night. Double bed, TV, fridge, and my kids, come here. They're in this cozy bunk bed. That's gonna be fun. Okay, back to fishing. The most beautiful time of the day to fish. The sun's gone, I'm not burning my body, it's peaceful. It's 7 p.m. now, this lake will be open until 9, and I'm not going to eat in that restaurant until I've caught at least one more monster fish. It's still on my mind, that big one that got away earlier. I'm gutted. Frank,
Yeah,
do you think we'll get another one this evening?
I hope so.
Yeah, me too. Our neighbour's got one. He's getting more luck than us tonight. Big one?
Hope so, not sure yet. I don't think he's perfect.
Oh, well done. What is it?
Swai.
Swai. Have we caught any of them today?
No, not today. Small meatball.
Ah, it's quite small, but it's nice.
What?
Really smooth, the skin's so
Yeah.
smooth.
It's our turn now. Frank, too heavy for you?
Nothing.
Too heavy for you?
Maybe.
Oh, real. I put that. Real. Up.
Pardon.
Up.
No, that.
What's up, Frank?
It's so hard.
Yeah?
Oh, real. Up.
It might take 10-15 minutes, this one, Frank.
What?
Come on, keep going.
Real.
Go on, Frank.
Yeah,
Tired yet, Frank?
So tired.
Yeah? Don't lose it, though.
I'm not gonna lose it like you.
Oh. Touche. Sorry, Frank, where did your fish go?
He didn't record it, so.
Yeah,
He
go on.
so.
What happened? Did you lose it?
No.
Danny, what happened?
He lost it. And
Yeah, he
being
did.
So cocky.
He was, wasn't he?
I'm gonna catch it, and you won.
Yeah.
I'm so good at this.
Okay, one more chance. And I don't want to lose this one. Oh, there he is. He's close. He's close.
Oh, he is. Up, up, up. So he can go under.
ไม่ได้หลับไม่ได้สอ
What the hell is that fish?
นี่สู้ไม่ได้นี่ซอสโดนนี่
ได้ไหมครับ
Just as we was about to go and eat, a big one coming. I'm drenched. I'm drenched. Can I have a look at that, Danny? Oh, should I jump in?
Yes.
ไซเม็ดวัด
Siamese.
อย่าบิ๊กไซเม็ด
Oh,
บิ๊ก
big Siamese.
It's
What weight? Look at that. That took me 15 minutes. Oh. Wow.
Is he gone?
No? Do you want a picture of him?
I'm too scared to get the head.
35 กิโล
My eyes are too itchy.
How?
35 กิโล
Oh, 35. Okay. Do you want a picture then, quickly? Quickly, let me get a picture.
My eyes
Picture,
are
honey.
itchy.